What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the YouTube settings from a white background to a dark background. Let's jump into it. It's very simple. All you got to do is go to the top right, click on your YouTube profile picture. It'll drop down a menu. Go down to the dark theme here. You can see I have it off. Click on that, and then it will bring up a switch, your dark theme switch. Click this, and it will change your YouTube background from white to dark. For me, I like to have everything dark, especially when I'm looking at the screen for long periods of time. The white background could be very blinding and really strain on your eyes. I help you guys out. Help me out by hitting that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It helps out a lot, everybody. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Later, everybody.
The most valuable commodity I know is information.